I would like to continue my point as we all are talking about the economy, GDP, conditions, and the problems, the puzzles, also the troubles we had to face at that time. Now we can see that what is the condition of India. Is it not bad? Also not good. We can see that everywhere, as Mr. Sadaf, you told in your last speech that the LPG was good in only the 5 years, for the 5 years. When on that time, who was the Prime Minister? Can you tell me?
At that time, PV Narasimha Rao was the prime minister,
So
and he was
why?
not, and his party was aligned by the Janata Dal and Congress
Okay,
party.
okay.
Then they become the prime
Yeah.
minister. At that time, when Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated by a
It is enough for me. I just want to complete my point. So, on that time, after the 5 years, when it was good for only the 5 years, so why it was not removed after the 5 years?
That's my point. Why it was not removed after 5 years?
Exactly.
It means that India is my country. India is the people of India is the country of Indian people, not the foreigners. But multinational people are coming here and starting their infrastructure and making their company and getting their profit. It's not about them. Why still we are under unemployment? Why India is still a undeveloping country? Why India still has poverty, under the poverty? Why?
Tell
This is
us
the-
why it is.
That's the. You are saying that LPG
I
was good for
understood.
country, and
I
you
understood.
said
Just
that
because of them,
we
they
have
came.
grown.
They invest. Also, they got the profit, and we are over there. On the time we were, and at the time we are here. Same time we could not go ahead from them. Just because of that, they came. They invest and they earn, and they go from there.
Okay, I also want to.
Okay.
I also
For
want
the
to tell you that
sometime,
LPG was
let's
also good.
remove the LPG.
Okay.
Come to the point.
LPG
From
was
the after the 1901, there are lots of changes has come as we talk about the culture, traditions. They told us just because of that what the incident has happened, that India has totally changed in the traditions. In this time we can see only the special occasion 80% of the traditional are following, only the traditional clothes 20% are missing. Where and how?
What?
The traditionals are following only the 80% only for the special occasions like festivals.
It is because that there is something in our Indian culture which is globally famous, and still we see the